Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Planarista 101. Today we're going to be creating a spread in my catch-all. It is something completely different from me today. So I'm not sure if you guys are going to like it. It is, yeah, look at that little girl. So, or that little creature. I don't know even, I think it's a girl. I'm not sure. We are creating the spread for August 12th through the 18th. It is my nephew's birthday that week, so I decided to make a very, very colorful spread for him, or in honor of him. I love him so dearly. He's such a cute kid. So I'm gonna make this spread using this image. I did not have this cut with Cricut. It would take too long with all of those little details. So what I did is just grab the sticker and cut it with my Girl Cutter. Anyway, if this is your first time joining, welcome. If you have been here before, welcome back. I am so glad you found me. And I'm so glad you're spending time with me yet again, if you're here again. So, as always, I'm going to tape the back of the page so they can be aligned. Otherwise, this will be a mess. I did use a sticky mat to make sure my paper is not moving. That's how I cut this little girl out. But look how cute. Yeah, I love it. So let's place her down. Maybe slightly off center. Maybe not. I tried. I can't do it, you guys. It's gonna look weird if I don't. Anyway, and then I have these rainbow florals from Calaver Plan, and these florals kind of reminded me of this little girl, so that's how that came along. So that's what we're gonna do. So bear with me as I create this very, very colorful, like fun spread. So first, my checklist as always. So I don't do the lines, I just do the circles. I know some of you just do the lines and no circles. Some of you do both. I just do the circles. Let me know what your preference is and why. Yes, I still write crooked, but I don't care. So I kind of like the cleaner look without the lines. Okay, so let's do this. Oh my gosh, we're gonna have so much fun creating this. So excited. Okay, you guys, almost done. And now it's stickering time. So as always, I need lots of boxes because there's a lot of things happening this week, including that birthday. So I need some boxes for work because I do keep track of my schedule. I'm off on Monday, so I am having LASIK that Friday prior, and then on Monday I'm gonna have a checkup. So hopefully everything goes well. But yeah, so excited. So let's get done. I don't know. I really want this long box, but let's just stick it in this area and see how it looks, and then we'll go from there. Because I do like making the general to-do list, kind of like a to-do list brain dump, and then transferring them over to the weeklies once I know what day I'm doing stuff. No, I don't like that. How about we lower this? Yeah, I think that looks better than my little yellow guy. So I'm going to use these hexagons to kind of make this more fun. And then create some boxes as well. These are my work boxes. I need one for Tuesday. So I work Monday through Thursday, but I took Monday off. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Not too bad this week. I'm going to have a very, very short week, which makes me so happy. So here we go. I'm gonna add more hexagons, and I'm kind of play with the placement of them so they look like they're interlocking. And yes, my watch is on low power. I need a new one. This is like a 3 and I haven't changed it. And the battery runs out like by 6 p.m. each day. Okay, I need a box on Tuesday, like I said, for my work. How about we do a blue one? We kind of interlock it. How about that? Look how these flowers kind of just went into her hair. Isn't that awesome? So yeah, I think that is so cute. I'm so excited about this spread already. I am not typically this many color spread girl. So again, very unusual for me. Let me know if you like bright and colorful like this, because again, I'm stepping a little bit out of my comfort zone to create something fun and different. And I'm super excited about this. Yeah, I think it's... When I saw this little girl, I knew that I needed to make it. And these are not like meant to be stickers, these images. They're meant to be like canvases. So even if you try to add them to your machine to like get them cut, they take forever to upload, and they actually take quite a bit of time to download as well, since they're such a large images, and I sit and I shrink them. So if they weren't so cute, I don't know if I would go through the trouble of doing that much, but I'm a little obsessed. Anyway, let me know what you guys are up to. I miss kind of connecting and chatting and seeing what everyone's doing. I'm outside of like the aesthetic plans. I'm no longer on any PR squads right now. I didn't apply for any to take a break, but I miss kind of the interactions of all of the PR groups that I had. So to me, that is a pretty big downside of not being in a PR group. Okay, I'm about to like sticker so many flowers down, you guys. So I'm gonna like slap some stickers down. Maybe not slap, but you know what I mean. I'm gonna be placing so many of them, but I do need something to put up there. So this little girl is looking at something. I don't know what. I'm thinking about like, do I have balloons somewhere? I think celebratory, but I kind of want it like really high up. I don't know. Like I am thinking about this so intensively for no reason, right? So let's see. What if I added, I don't know, like pulling stickers on the side, you guys. Look, so I pulled this out from JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop. This is her Paris theme, and it has this really cute balloon. I think I'm just gonna stick it on Friday. And then I'm gonna like put a little box or something and like say happy birthday, like they're screaming down happy birthday. So I don't know, I think that's gonna be so cute. We'll see after the pen what I end up doing with that. But yeah, so far that's my idea of this, and I know that that is very pastel-y compared to the other ones. I might color this in slightly darker. I might leave it, I don't know. When I fill it in with the pen, I will see what this looks like, and then towards the end of the week, I'll decide what I want to do with it. Because sometimes, see how there's like these pale elements of pink in these florals? They're very similar to that hot air balloon. So maybe I leave it, maybe I won't. Let's see. But yeah, super cute image. I am actually really liking, like, this spread is making me happy, you guys. I did not expect that. I thought it's going to be a little kiddish, but I'm really enjoying it. Okay, very different for me. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but like as I'm filming this, I'm smiling and smiling and smiling. Okay, I'm cutting all of these stickers. Yeah, my spreads lately have been making me so happy, and it's simply because I changed up my style. And like I said, I wanted a break from being on PR groups and kind of find myself again in my planner. And I did, and look how like amazing it's been turning out. So sometimes it's okay to take a break. I didn't take a break from planning, but I took a break from being an ambassador for companies, which I absolutely love all of them. It's just sometimes I gotta feel it. I don't know if that makes sense to you guys. Anyway, so I'm gonna cut this. Ooh, hopefully I don't ruin it. Okay, go. I think I got it. I'm gonna take this tape off. And of course I ripped the page. Jesus. Like this tape is like bad luck for me or something. None of the other tapes do this. And I'm not a huge fan of it. That's why I'm using it to glue pages, but I don't think that's working. And I'm gonna go ahead and punch my little girl here. Not that I want to do that, but hey, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Okay. Look how cute that turned out. Okay. I am all done. I'm gonna put this back in the planner and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.